What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and today I'm showing you a faster way to design a single PCB with an Arduino. So let's get into it. So I built a simple light meter. The Arduino reads the value of the photoresistor and then displays the amount of light arbitrarily between 0 and 99. If I cover the sensor, you'll see the number change accordingly. If I shine a flashlight on it, it goes up. So what if I wanted to make this into a PCB? Well, I'd have two options. I could design a PCB that the Arduino plugs into, kind of like a shield. Another option is to design an Arduino on the board itself. Fortunately, I use Flux to design my PCBs, so we can take advantage of sublayouts. A sublayout is essentially an entire circuit that you can import into another project. Here's an Arduino Micro that I designed with a couple of improvements. Instead of USB Micro, I'm using USB-C. I've also added some additional protection so it's more robust. Other than that, it's pretty similar to an Arduino Micro or Leonardo. What makes this a sublayout and not just a regular Arduino board is the terminals that allow connections and the fact that I published this to the library. To show you what I mean, I'm just going to start a new project. You can filter by sublayouts here. I'll just search and import the Arduino we were just looking at. Each of these connection points correspond to the terminals I showed you previously. Now, before we look at the PCB layout, I just want to add a couple of things. Okay, let's take a look at the PCB. This entire Arduino layout is essentially one part in this project. It can be repositioned as a whole. The pads around the edges are terminals we connected to in the schematic, and traces can be routed to them. Of course, we have a nice 3D render as well. That's the gist of using sublayouts in Flux. You can create PCBs much faster by having a piece of it already done. I'll leave a link in the description for the Arduino sublayout that I used in this video so that you can use it in your own projects. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this every week.